What do you do when you don't know what to do? The thing is that very often we think we don't know, and then this becomes our feeling, yeah? We get the feeling that we don't know, so we should not do anything, yeah? We should not act. And at the end, this becomes our reality. So the reality proves that we don't know. Very often we are very logical people, so we think, all right, if I don't know, I shouldn't act. And this kind of mindset is very destructive for us. Before we continue, I would just like to say that I'm Nadia, and on this channel I talk about business and self-development. Consider subscribing to this channel not to miss interesting videos that I happily provide for you every Wednesday. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because without the notification bell, YouTube will not show all the videos to you. I also wrote a book on personal development. This one here, it is on Amazon, and the link to this book is in the description to this video. You can check it out after watching this video. You know, my main passion in life in general is to help people discover their potential, yeah, that they can open it up and start acting, start doing what they want to do. And this was the main motivation why I wrote that book. It's called Personal Development Algorithm, yeah? And in this book I also reveal a lot of interesting facts about my life, which I usually don't talk about. So if you want to know more about me as a person, this is the right place. Yeah? I hope this book can inspire a lot of people to act and to fulfill their dreams. So the best way to change that kind of thinking that you don't know is to start acting, even though it sounds a little bit contradictory, you know, because how can we act if we don't know? Well, when you start acting, then you know what to do. You know, when you start taking some steps, then you get the experience, and then you already know more, yeah? And this is not some theory, this is something that is then your experience that nobody can take away, yeah? Then you can take more steps and get more experience, and then you know even more. So this way, by taking action, you know more and more. True confidence comes not from thinking, and not from theoretical knowledge. True confidence comes from experience. And experience you get from taking action. The best way to know is to take action, yeah? And mastering your mind is so crucial if you want to be able to act, if you want to be able to fulfill your dreams. To be successful, you need both skills and the right mindset. But mindset is crucial, yeah? Because with the right mindset, you can learn any skills, you can take action and learn anything you want in this life. Yeah? You can get any experience, you can reach your goals. Even if you didn't have any skills initially. If you do have skills, but you don't have the right mindset, yeah, then very often you might reach some, level of success, but very often you will not be happy about it, you will not understand how to go on and what to do further and how to feel happiness. Not only reaching some financial goals, but also to feel that you live your dreams, that you do exactly what you want, that you are happy. And then in that you can also make your family happy, your friends happy. Yeah? So it's not that you are only taking care of yourself, you can then just have surplus for other people as well. That's also the reason why in this book, I talk really a lot about mind and mindset in general, because this, is crucial. Mind is king, and everybody talks about it, but hardly many people take action. There's nothing more interesting and there's nothing more fascinating and exciting than human consciousness, yeah, and human happiness. There's nothing more important than that. Even though there are a lot of exciting things, on this planet that I also like to explore and to do, but what happens in our mind defines our world, our happiness, our well-being, and the well-being of people around us. So if you still think that you don't know and therefore you cannot act, learn trusting your own wisdom. When you act, you are in the flow, and the flow tells you what to do. There's a lot of information around, even if you are not aware of it, and the right information will come. Of course, at the same time, it really makes sense to educate yourself. In the description below, check it out, I have a link to my free training on how to start your dream business. Make sure that you act. no matter what. Because only actions bring real knowledge, real satisfaction, real happiness. If you like this video so far, please give this video a like. It really helps me promote this video on YouTube so that YouTube can show this video to more people and hopefully they can also benefit from it. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if this video was useful for you and if you are the person who likes to act no matter what, or you like to learn things first before taking action, which is very logical, but doesn't really have to be this way. And this logical approach really blocks a lot of people from taking action. Truth is much more bigger than our logical comprehension. The truth goes through logic, beyond logic. The experience is much more true than any words or any ideas about this experience. It's like love, You can talk a lot about love, but talking about love or thinking about love has nothing to do with the actual experience, And nobody would choose thinking about it instead of actually, taking action. So take action, make sure to subscribe to this channel and check out some useful links that can give you inspiration and motivation to reach your goals, to fulfill your dreams, and to become a better person, the best version of yourself. See you next Wednesday.